Welcome back to another edition of Fix for Design. In the last video, we covered the 5 categories of design resources, but today we are unlocking the vaults. I'm giving you the specific current websites and apps, the exact tools that professionals make use of, so you can upgrade your design game instantly. In this video, we will be covering all previously discussed resources and where you can get them for free to kickstart your design journey or to level up your skills. At the end of the video, I will be sharing a pro tip in finding more resources to the ones this video will cover and how you can research more on each resources provided in this video. So stick with me. If you are ready to get your master list, let's dive into the 5 categories of essential design resources. Your tools are your foundation, as I have said in the previous video, in which you can watch here if you haven't watched it. Your tools are your foundation. You cannot build a house without laying its foundation, and you can't design without software. These are programs that allow you to create a work of design creatively. So in this video, I've broken down this software into 3 simple levels. At level 1, we have beginner, which are free and easy. If you are a beginner or working mostly on your phone, you can start here. These tools are often template based and have great free versions. This is the most recommendable beginner friendly options and are also used by professionals, like in this design and this design, which is made by me using just my smartphone. Also, in the place of this free course, we will be making use of these 2 softwares, which are Canva and Pixel. Canva is a software with both free and premium, and it's also filled with lots of templates already made design in which you can check to gain inspiration, but not advisable to make use of. Nah, don't do that. It also consists a lot of resources in which if you are on freemium, that is the free version, you will be limited to the free resources in the app, or if you are using the website version, you'll be limited to the free resources, but the premium gives you access to all, while Pixel on the other hand is a free ready to use app where you will have to create from scratch. Which one is advisable to use in these 2 apps? As I would always recommend, if you are an iPhone user, go for Canva, and if you are an Android user, go for Pixel. Why this? Because Pixel is not available on iOS, while Canva is available on both iOS and for Android users as well. But if you are an Android user or you feel more connected to Canva than Pixel, well, you are good to go. Still confused on what is being discussed here? Just stick around. Next videos will be covering all your questions, and you can as well drop your questions in the comments below. Level 2, we have professional. These are professional software that are free and powerful. They are alternatives to the advanced or industrial standard ones. If you want pro level features software but you are not ready to pay yet, these free and open source options are incredibly powerful. As displayed on the screen, you can take your time to jot them down or save the video to watch again when you need it. In my own suggestion, Figma is essential if you are interested in web or app design. GIMP and Inkspace give you full power paid software for zero cost, which are alternatives to Photoshop and Illustrator. And at level 3, we have industry standard. These are the paid investments. When you start working with big clients, they will expect files from industry standard, so this software is your professional investment. The Adobe Suite, Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign is the gold standard in this type of category, and a great alternative is Affinity Designer, which is powerful, a one-time purchase that skips the monthly subscription of the rest. Then let's move to the next category of design resources, where we have design assets. These are ready-made ingredients, as you've already known it if you've watched the previous video. This category is all about speed, in which speed is really important in the world of creativity. Design assets are the pre-made files, photos, fonts, mockups that you just have to download and drop into your design. Never start from scratch again. Take your time and take note of these resources. A pro tip: if you are a beginner, Master Pixels and Google Fonts, those two will cover 80% of your visual needs for free. I also recommend Pinterest a lot, as well as many other open free resources websites. Just ensure you watch till the end so you can know how to always find more resources link. Category 3: Learning resources. The knowledge upgrade. Talent will always get you noticed. Continuous learning keeps you paid. These are platforms where pros sharpen their edge. Platforms that professionals make use of to keep developing on their skills. And speaking of guides, learning about design strategy, not just tools, is crucial. That is the focus of my ebook, It's Not Just Design, and the massive over 1,000 course resource vaults I've bundled with it. You don't need to spend thousands on dozens of individual courses. You can get my foundational It's Not Just Design ebook plus a bonus of over 1,000 plus course resources vault bundle together with a fraction of the cost. The link to grab this package is waiting for you right now in the description below. Category 4: Inspiration and idea sources. This is where you feed your creative eye. Don't look at other designers to copy them. Look at them to understand their thoughts process. Well, all designers steals idea. Borrow, not steal. They don't just admit it. You can make use of Behance to study the entire process of a pro designer from brief to final delivery. It's an amazing free education, as well as you can make use of it to set up your professional portfolio. Category 5: Practical business resources. If you want to make money, you need more than just design skill. You need to handle clients, pricing, and paperwork. This is when you will need the likes of pricing guides. Knowing how much to charge is a skill. Look for reputable freelance forums and guides like those inside my bundle vault to set competitive rates in your market. You will need contract templates. Never work without a contract. You can find a simple template on sites like Docracy or True Legal Services. They protect you and make you look more professional. We have portfolio platform, the likes of Behance, which is free and professional, and Dribble as well is a key of showcasing your work to clients for them to see that you are more reliable and professional. There you have it, the essential resources, both free and paid, in all 5 categories. You have the tools, the assets, and the knowledge of where to learn. The only thing left to do is start using them. Now to my tip of getting more resources link, I highly recommend using your AI, your chat AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek. You can easily type what resources you are looking for and it will provide you with various types of answer, like where can I get a free font that I can use on my design project. Then boom, there is the answer. You can as well find them on social media such as Instagram, X, TikTok, and so on. Professionals or creators on this platform shares a lot of resources for you to level up your creativity or get it started. If you are serious about fast tracking your design career and want that massive resource advantage, you know where to go. Click the link in the description to get my It's Not Just Design ebook and the over 1,000 plus resources vault. Hit the like button if this video gave you a new resource to use today, and subscribe so you don't miss my next video where we break down the 2 software that will be used in this free course, which are Canva and Pixel. We are getting close to the practical aspect of this course, so don't get bored and let's meet in the next video.